Hey ATAK fans, in this video I'm going to cover how geospatial floor plans can be used in ATAK. We were very fortunate that our local school district hired Critical Response Group to map every facility in the district, and then they shared those with us so we can enhance our capability during a response. CRG produces these maps in virtually any geospatial format you want. Ours are downloaded onto the device, so if we do lose network connectivity, we can still navigate. Now let's take a look at how these maps look in ATAK. We grouped our maps and data packages alphabetically. I'm going to focus on Lee Pollard High School. I'm going to open up my data package list, scroll down to the school's data package that has Lee Pollard in it. And you can see that we have 3 maps for Lee Pollard High School. We have a macro map that is a broad view of the school and the surrounding areas. You will notice as I zoom into new areas and zoom in, the map improves its rendering. It takes about a second or two to make that happen. Now let's look at the micro maps. Go back to my data packages, turn off my macro map, and let's turn on their first floor micro map. And now I've got specific room numbers, where roof access is, key boxes, etc. throughout the school. It's a very detailed map. And I also have this for the second floor. So I can turn off the first floor, now turn on the second floor and get that same level of detail. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful in getting a better understanding of what CRG floor plans can look like in ATAK. If you're interested about learning more about CRG plans, they have a website at crgplans.com.